Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia melaporkan kemajuan operasi militer khusus di Ukraina pada Sabtu 1 Oktober 2022 kemarin. Angkatan bersenjata Federasi Rusia melanjutkan operasi militer khusus yang dimulai sejak 24 Februari. Serangan rudal telah mengakibatkan penghancuran basis sementara unit dari Brigade Mekanik ke-14 Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina di dekat Kupiansk, wilayah Kharkov. Lebih dari 50 militan dan 12 unit peralatan militer khusus telah dieliminasi. Serangan api besar-besaran yang diluncurkan pada posisi Brigade Mekanis ke-66 dan ke-93 dari Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina telah mengakibatkan eliminasi lebih dari 200 prajurit Ukraina, 5 tank, dan 9 kendaraan tempur infanteri. Selain itu, 4 depot rudal, artileri, dan amunisi telah dihancurkan di dekat Rovnopolye, wilayah Zaporozhye, Kramatorsk, Druzhkovka, Republik Rakyat Donetsk, Galinovka atau wilayah Nikolaev, serta 1 jalur peluncuran sistem rudal pertahanan udara PUKM-1 di dekat Grigorovka, wilayah Zaporozhye. Pesawat tempur Angkatan Udara Rusia juga dikabarkan telah menembak jatuh 1 MiG-29 milik Angkatan Udara Ukraina di dekat Pavlovka.
Aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 6 Ukrainian command posts near Artyomovsk, Seversk in Donetsk People's Republic, Novoandreevka, Gulay-Pole in Zaporozhye region, Polygon in Nikolaev region, as well as 68 artillery units, 153 Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration areas. 4 missile artillery armament and munitions depots have been destroyed near Rovnopolye in Zaporozhye region, Kramatorsk, Druzhkovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Kalinovka in Nikolaev region, as well as 1 launching ramp of Bukom-1 air defense missile system near Grigorovka in Zaporozhye region. Fighter aircraft of the Russian Aerospace Forces has shot down 1 MiG-29 of Ukrainian Air Force near Pavlovka in Nikolaev region. Air defense facilities have shot down 14 unmanned aerial vehicles near Zagoruikovka, Kislovka and Nikolaevka in Kharkov region, Zeleny Gai, Novopetrukovka, Novotroitskoye, Volnoye, Krasny Liman and Novoandreevka in Donetsk People's Republic, Koshara, Kucherskoye, Sadok, Tsukury in Kherson region and Shmitovo in Nikolaev region. 7 projectiles launched by US-manufactured HIMARS MLRS and 2 HARM anti-radar missiles have been destroyed in the air near Novaya Kakhovka in Kherson region. In addition, 1 Ukrainian Tochka-U tactical missile has been shot down over Liptsi in Kharkov region. In total, 310 airplanes and 155 helicopters, 2,126 unmanned aerial vehicles, 378 air defense missile systems, 5,203 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 858 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,441 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,025 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.